G'day guys, welcome to another video. You may remember last week when I mentioned that I'd be trying to repair a Sonic Flashes vehicle, one of the Majorette series. Here we go. I'm going to try with this ambulance. I've drilled and tapped the post for a change instead of just gluing it. I figured, well, the batteries may have to come out again, and I don't want to have to be ungluing it or drilling it or whatever to pull it apart. So I thought, here we go, we'll give this one a crack. As you can see, I actually put in quite a long screw. It does the job, and whoop, the guts has popped out already. So there's the internals of a Sonic Flasher. Window, body. Still in pretty good nick, this one, so I'm not really going to do anything as far as doing it up. Just try and get these internals working. You can see there the battery's pretty well smoked. Been sitting in there a while. There's the little switch that operates. So when you push down on the car, the rear wheels actually operate the switch. Let's see how we go. All right. Let's start by pulling these batteries out. I don't know how long they've been in there. The car's from about the 1980s sometime. I have seen Sonic Flashes that are a lot worse inside. There we go. You can see there's got a bit of corrosion and stuff in it. But see how we go. Kind of hopeful. Hopeful this one will actually work. But, let's see. I think what I'm going to have to do is try and clean the contacts. Let's just whack some new batteries in it first, though. See if we get anything. And here we go, and nothing. Damn, nothing at all. Well, that is so disappointing, isn't it? You just wanted to work first time, and it doesn't. Anyway, let's take them out and give her a bit of a clean up. Using my best battery removing pocket knife, as all good pocket knives do. Alright, let's see what we can do with it. You can see my hairy knuckle there. It's okay, so a bit of 1200 grit, wet and dry. Try and clean up the battery contacts a little bit. Just glued that onto a stick. Makes it easier to get in and out there. A bit of a clean up, and we'll see what happens. So there is a fair bit of corrosion. The batteries did leak a little bit. It doesn't help matters. And I've got a bit of isopropyl alcohol on the end of a cotton bud. Give it a bit of a clean out with a scrub. Get my hairy knuckle in the way again. This is top photography. Believe me, it doesn't get much better than this. You pay big money in the cinema to see that. Anyway. Alright, we're giving it a bit of a clean out. Now, let's have a look. Let's get those batteries back in. And here we go. Here we go. It's going to work. And nothing. Absolutely nothing. Well, what I'll do is give it more of a scrub and a clean. We'll see what happens. It's very disappointing so far. I don't know what's happened to my skills. I have done an electronics course. It's not helping here. I'm letting you people down at home, your viewers. I don't know what to say. Now, I do know one thing I can say is if you do like my stuff, hit the subscribe button, as they all say. Like it, subscribe, get the bell on for notifications. Apparently it helps your channel. I don't know. My videos aren't helping my channel. You might be able to help by subscribing. So Alright, let's have another crack at this. And I believe we've got some noise. That is pathetic. Let's try again. Oh no. Have a listen to that. That's the sound of disappointment. That's the sound of baby birds dying in their nests. That's the sound of mice invading something. I don't know what. But that's just sad. I think back to the drawing board. I might have to desolder and resolder the whole thing, I think. See what I can get done. Look at that light though. That's no. I apologise. Like I said, get the bell on. Subscribe if you like. Leave a comment. Even if you didn't like it, leave a comment. Any feedback's good feedback. But, I'll see what I can do with it in the shop. And I'll catch you next time, guys. Thank you for watching all the way through to the end. It's still very disappointing. I'm going to go cry. All right. See you next time.